Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Wamugunda's daughter here, a Kenyan YouTuber doing videos about business and youth empowerment. If it's your first time here, welcome to this family, and kindly hit the subscription button below because you're going to learn a lot about business and youth empowerment. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. May you be blessed abundantly. So today I am here because of a few reasons. One, because a subscriber asked me if I run a business. I'm here to answer that. Secondly, because I talk a lot about business, and why not prove to you that business works. 3, because this video is totally related to my next video, and I thought of first introducing you to my business and then taking you through my next video. So stay tuned, you will learn something new. I am here to introduce you to some of the products that I sell, and they're very unique products. And I also thought that I should use this platform to show you guys. My next client might be in this video, so let's get started. Guys, I sell wooden utensils, anything from cups to bowls to plates to chopping boards to pizza boards. And I am going to take you through, I'm going to show you some of the samples that I have here with me. And let's start with this. This is set. I have this set. It's a set of 3. It's a set of 3 plates, but for now I only have 2. These 2. This is 6 inches. This other one is 8. And then I have the biggest one in this set, that is 10 inches. Then I have this wood. And it's so unique. These are its handles, very strong spoons. And then I have this long chopping board. I have these plates. This plate is varnished. This one is varnished, this one is not. I sell them varnished. At times I sell them varnished, at times I sell them just the way they are, because the customer will prefer to buy it with it when it's 100% natural, but it's still the same wood. And I have this chopping board. And this plate, this square plate, it comes as a set, but for now I only have this one. I'm going to take you through them all. I've introduced you to my business, I want to tell you that 90% of the sales I make are online, from my online clients. As much as I have a physical store, I make most of my sales through online marketing strategies. Once you have a business, there are reasons why your business needs to be online. For one is that you create awareness. Secondly, you make sales, but I'm going to take you through that once I tell you why your business needs to be on social media. For one, you need to open a Facebook business page. This is because most of the buyers are on Facebook. Yes. Secondly, it's totally free. Opening pages or opening accounts on Facebook and on Instagram is totally free. So you need to open for your business because it doesn't cost you a thing. Thirdly is because 2/3 of the world's population, I think that adds up to 54% of the world's population, is on social media, and a normal netizen uses 2.5 hours a day on social media. You can imagine the amount of time that person uses in a week on social media. And also 70% of the accounts followed by these netizens are about business. I think I've given you enough reasons why your business needs to be on social media, and now I'm going to take you through some of the important reasons why I have still been using social media since I started. So for one is I have created a lot of awareness about my business. When I opened my social media pages for my business, I noticed that I got many questions from potential clients asking me what my products were used for, and if I do bulk, and if I take bulk orders, and if someone is interested in your products after asking you that, then they definitely purchase from you. Secondly is that I made sales from that. Like I said when starting this video, is that 90% of the sales that I've been making are from online clients. And what are you doing in business if you're not there to increase your sales and make profit? That is reason enough. Thirdly is because you use such accounts to communicate to your clients. Assuming I remember when COVID-19 hit our country, I used my social media pages to inform my clients that I was closing my physical store, and that because of the virus. And I sat down and assumed, what if I didn't have these social media pages, these social media accounts for my business? What would I have used to communicate to my clients? I assumed that they would have gone to the physical store maybe to make a purchase and found the doors closed. That would have in a way sent a bad message to them, because I would not have communicated to them, which would have made me who is unreliable to my clients. So you need to open your social media page. You need to open social media pages for your business because you use them as some form of communication to your client. I'm going to take you through what you need in order to open social media pages for your business, social media accounts for your business. One is that you need a target. Remember in everything that you do in business, you do need to have a target. Write down what your target is. Is it to increase sales? Is it to create awareness? Is it to communicate to your clients? Or is it them all? Remember when you write down your target, it's easier for you to achieve because you will keep remembering them. Writing them down becomes a constant reminder. Secondly, you need to choose the right platform for your business. It could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, it could be LinkedIn, whichever platform that suits your business. Then you need to be more active in that platform. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't open other accounts in other platforms. But whichever works for your business, then go for it. For me, I think it's Instagram and Facebook. Those are the leading platforms that really work for me when it comes to selling my product. The other thing that you need to do is to respond to your clients or maybe your potential customers, and this should take the shortest time that you have. If you get a question from someone, ensure that you reply them within the first few hours. This shows that you are reliable, and it's easier for a stranger to trust you easily if you try to get back to them on time. Another thing you need to do is ensure that you make what you're selling look real. By this I mean, whenever you sell your product or service to someone, do request them to take a photo of that product or service and use that photo to post online. Post that photo on your social media pages, on your social media accounts, and if you can, tag your client. Create some sort of trust with your clients, with your followers on social media. Also, they are able to see that the product you're selling or maybe the service is real and can be used in real life. Another thing you need to do is know when to reply public conversations in people's DMs or maybe messages. Assuming a client came to your comment section on, let's say, Facebook, on your business page on Facebook, and complained that the product or service that he or she bought from your shop is not of good quality, or maybe he or she came and found you closed and you had not communicated on your social media pages, just know when to reply such conversations on the DMs or maybe messages, because you might say something that will end up offending all your followers. Always know what to reply in public. Always know when to reply those public conversations in messages. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new, and feel free to follow my pages, my social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. I am going to put the link below in my description box. And I hope if you have a business out there and you haven't opened social media pages for it, you have reasons why now. And thank you so much for watching this till the end. May you be blessed. Remember to keep safe and sanitize throughout. Bye.